Kids Vision TV.
Hello kids, today we are going to draw a house. Let's draw with me. This is a glitter house. Let's draw its window.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Let's draw the back window. Let's draw its roof. Let's draw the grass. I'm going to color it. Let's color with me. Red color. I am coloring in roof.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Yellow color. Let's color in window. Light blue color. I am coloring in toes. Brown color. I am coloring in door and chimney. Do you like my drawing? Light green color. I am coloring in grass. Let's color in house. Pink color. I am coloring a front side. It's time to color its backside.
Subscribe us for more videos.